Hi, today in front of me Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application, then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the volume we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this dot. Also, we can make it by press to the up or to the down volume button, but first be sure that here in advanced settings, in volume button function, we have selected ringtone volume, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button, we can change the ringtone volume. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.